Alright, today we're going to take a look at another little Zippo. But first, this little toy's been getting some dust, so we're going to look at that for a few seconds. That's pretty cool. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now they've been sending the new Zippos in this white box, and it's got the barcode as long with the label on it. It says Comic Design. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And it came in the regular Zippo black box. There's the normal information. It's a genuine Zippo made in USA, Bradford, PA. Now, one interesting thing about this, it's got the mirrors on the inside. It's a premium Zippo. You can see it's got the 3 little mirrors on the inside there. So it's a little bit more collectible with this box, so that's pretty nice. So here is the Zippo. Now this is the Zippo that Batman would carry if he carried a Zippo. It's got that nice matte yellow finish. There's the Zippo Flame. Pretty good stampings on this, made in D of 21. That would be April of this year. Bradford, PA. Made in USA. It's got the plain steel insert. Sounds pretty good. It's a bit muted because it's got that coating on it. But it lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. So that one passes the drop test easily. It's kind of a pop art design. I really like it. So that's another nice new Zippo, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.